Well, what do you think, everybody? Everybody claims I don't do anything. I just got done doing stuff. But once a year, I got to do a couple, three, four, five of these. But once a year. My hand is just red hot. That gun gets hot. My little Lincolnator works really, really good on this. 304 stainless, 30 something filler, maybe I don't know what, but yeah, it works good. I'm in my little nut hut, and been a while since I seen you guys. I guess I don't need these on anymore. I need them on the weld. I should have been a welder when I grew up. That's what they claim. I should have been. I was pretty good at it once, and now I'm pretty good at it again. Well, I don't know about that totally, but now I'm gonna go for a motorcycle ride. It's 80 degrees out, humid, storms, blah blah blah. Well, last night. So yeah, they think I don't do nothing. You guys think I don't do nothing? I know you know better, but I have no idea what they're for. There's some kind of drive hub for some kind of shaft that has a keyway in it, and it's all stainless, so it must be in some kind of really bad environment. I think it's wastewater treatment, actually. But so there, I worked for the day. Made a few shekels. Hope you guys are doing good out there. Summer's finally here, and I like it. The boys are busy in the shop, and I'm just busy with stuff. Every time I ask them guys, what are they doing? They just go, stuff. Anyways, they're good boys. Good men. All right, well, I just thought I can talk to anything for an hour. I can talk to anything for a half hour. I can talk to anything for 10 minutes. I can talk to myself that long. So I hope you guys enjoy this rambling, but there is a weld on the other side. It does protrude about a, I don't know, half an inch. And I had to do them first. I wish I had a little turny thing. Maybe somebody could donate one to me, one of them foot pedal jobbies. Because that's a son of a gun going around in circles and then repositioning every few seconds. All right, well, hope you guys are having a good time. We'll talk to you later. See you, bye.